Alright, boys, we gonna connect to VPN first. So you need to go to this. Spent about 10 minutes trying to work out how to pronounce it. Can't pronounce it. Read it. It's on the screen. Install. It's pretty much every OS, Mac OS, Windows, whatever. Download it, install it. It's just a standard program. When it opens, it will look like this, but it won't have PGN in it. Download the pgn.ovpn file you've been sent. Click import profile, select it, and add your two-factor auth code to something like Authy. It's free. Yeah, you can use Google Authenticator as well, but this synchronizes with desktops. So click on the hamburger menu, connect, put your username in. Mine is Nevboy. Put your one-time password in first, so that's the number that Authy gives you, and then the password that you were also sent, and click OK. Watch it fail.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Once you've connected, you can continue with connecting to Proton or to SSH to access the consoles. That's about it. When you've finished, make sure you disconnect. Click the hamburger, click disconnect, and shut down the Proton program.